Today we are going to make the short crust pastry recipe, which is used as a base for some pies and quiche. So I will show you two ways to do, one with the food processor and the other by hand. So we need to make three pies of 250 grams of flour, 125 grams of butter, 75 grams of water, and a pinch of salt. You put the flour in a bowl of the food processor, you put the mixing paddle, a little salt, and gently incorporate the butter by turning the food processor at low speed. The goal is to obtain a fatty flour without any more pieces of butter. And once it's done, you incorporate the water all at once and let the food processor run until everything comes off the sides of the bowl. Then is the dough ready. Yes, like this. You just have to make the individual balls of 150 grams that are suitable for a pie of 30 or 35 centimeters diameter. Then you will wrap these in plastic and put them in the fridge or freezer where they keep very well. Remember to let them thaw long enough that they are at room temperature to use them. So after that, we will begin with the second method by the hand. So if you don't have any machine or something to help you, it's quite easy to do. It's always the same quantity, of course, 250 grams of flour, 125 grams of butter, and a little bit salt. Okay, you put the flour in something. You put the butter in small pieces in your bowl. The salt, don't forget the salt. And then you can mix well with your hand to turn it into a fatty flour without lumps. And once this is done, yes, you do it. It takes a little bit time, more time with than with the machine, of course, but it's okay. It's not too much, 1 minute or two. And when it will be finished, you add the water all at once, like in the machine. And that avoid kneading, but try to make a ball with one hand without any kneading, I remind you. That's because it makes the pastry hard when you cook it, and then it's not really the best way. Just look how I do. With one hand, you try to make a ball, and once. So I got it now. You can clap it between your hands after to make sure there is no air in the pastry, in the bowl, like this. Okay, and then your loaf is not red is done is now ready to do the portioning as in the first recipe, and you can use it directly. You can put in the fridge or in the deep freeze. I put them in a plastic It's better for it. It's easy. And so your pastry is ready. Enjoy. Your turn now.